I am a masterpiece, constantly evolving. I am ever changing. I don't need some validation from a short-lived conditional love. You can try to change your mind. Good luck trying. Built this foundation on my own. Started young, but now I'm grown. There's no stopping me now. There's no stopping me now. Little girl with a big, big dream. Change the world since the age of 15, that was me. Now I'm ready to live my self-prophecy of a dream to reality. You'll see, you'll see, you'll see. Oh, I used to think that love was a one-way street, but that one-way street, it got the best of me. There's no bitterness there, it is gone elsewhere. All that's left is my heart open to the world. I'm ready to change the world with my stories, singing stories and a song. And I hope you sing along, you sing along. This is my song, sing. This is my song, sing. This is our 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 song, oh, we'll sing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sing along. Ooh, I hope you sing along. This is your song. Yeah. You'll see.
Nahe nahe maoli no, e ka ohana o ʻiwi TV, mahalo ka launa hou ana mai no ke kahi pukana o Mele Ma Ka Lihiwai ia mako ko ʻiwi TV, ma ka lihiwai nei o Kaʻelepulu me ka hoa kipa o ke iala o Keilana Mokulehua. Aloha kaua.
Aloha.
Mahalo nui. An amazing first song. Before we go any further though, I'm going to ask you to introduce this talented gentleman that's joined you today.
Oh, yes, definitely. This is my dual partner, who's also an amazing artist. His name is Evan K.
Hello, Evan. Mahalo for being here as well. Okay, Keilana. So a lot of us have been following you on YouTube and all the amazing stuff that you come out with every now and then in these duos and trios and it's just amazing. But I want to take a few minutes to just talk story with you about you, who you are, where you're from. Give us a little introduction about Keilana.
Okay. Well, I'm Keilana. I am from Kapolei, so from the west side. It was a little drive, but I love coming out this side because I almost never. So when I was coming up here and I saw this beautiful property, I was like, wow. But yeah, born and raised in Kapolei. I have two amazing parents and two beautiful younger sisters. I went to Kamehameha schools, graduated 2012. Both my sisters also attended. Yeah, and I've been just playing music professionally since I was about maybe 18.
Awesome. Yeah, talk to us a little bit about that. How did you, is it something that kind of your family does, or did you get into it on your own when you were in your teens?
Well, it's a long story, but to cut it short, it all started, I was a very shy kid, and music was just something that we kind of did at home. You know, we would jam sesh with my dad and my sisters, but one day I was just singing in my room, and then my mom heard me playing guitar and singing, and she had the bright idea. This was when YouTube just started, so she was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna put you on YouTube. So we would do videos in my bathroom at the time, and they actually got pretty popular. I did like a cover of Anuhea's Big Deal at the time, and it got pretty big. And so from there, like things just started happening and rolling. And then I got into Kamehameha. I was in all the performing arts there and continued on since then. So.
Awesome. Well, I think we all owe a debt of gratitude to your mother for encouraging the bathroom recordings. Yes. I also understand that after Kamehameha, you went on to pursue music educationally as well.
I went on, thanks to the Kili'i Hawaii Foundation, I got a lot of scholarships to go and study music at UH Manoa. So I got my bachelor's there. And then after that, I went back to Kamehameha. I gave back, and I help out with song contests there. I work part-time there. Also did the Mele program out at HCC at Honolulu Community College. So just trying to learn as much as I can and grasp as much as possible.
Wonderful. Awesome. Thank you for giving us that context about kind of who you are, a little bit about your family. I'm going to ask you if you'd introduce the next mele and then mele mai.
Okay. This next song is called Right From the Start. And because I always credit my mom to starting everything, pretty much music and my whole career, I had to pay homage to my father, who is where I get my musical side from. So this song I wrote when I was 16. I wrote this for Dad for his birthday, and it was called Right From the Start, which basically just talks about how, you know, many people will come and go, but my dad has been my constant, and I love him. So here we go. 1, 2, 3,
From the very first day, my little eyes opened. He knew that he'd be there to watch me grow, and it's been so long. Dad, you'll never change. From my very first steps to my very first heartbreak, you pick me up when I fall. Whenever I'm scared, you're always there to wrap me in your arms. Dad, I just want you to know you always had my heart right from the start. Now that I'm older, life gets harder each day. Having you right beside me, I feel I can do almost anything. And it's been 18 years since then. And that you'll never change. From my very first step to my very first heartbreak, you pick me up when I fall. Whenever I'm scared, you're always there to wrap me in your arms. And Dad, I just want you to know that you always had my heart right from the start. I know I'll never be the son you always dreamed, but I know that you still love me. But I'll try my very best to to make you proud of who I came to be. From my very first steps to my very first heartbreak, you pick me up when I fall. Whenever I'm scared, you're always there to wrap me in your arms. And Dad, I just want you to know that I just want you to know you always had my heart right from the start.
ʻAʻohe ulu e loaʻa I ka pōkole o ka lou. Mole ka pukalana kila I ka hoʻoulu kūpono ia. Au hoʻomaka ko ako leo hoʻomakaukau ia ma ka punana leo no.
He Hawaiʻi au, imi au I ka naʻau au. Hololei ke la.
O ka punana leo, he ka hua paʻano ia no ko Hawaiʻi mawalakaʻi o kēia mua aku. E kai no aku no ma aha punana leo kiko.org.
Oh, oh, listen to music. Oh, oh, listen to music. Oh, oh, listen to the Mele Ma Ka Lihiwai. Aloha kako ano ai o kalani pe a keia e nā mea pū mai. Ma ʻiwi TV, Mele Ma Ka Lihiwai. Ano ai, aloha.
Aloha nui kākou, ke nana ni no o ko I ko ʻiwi TV polokalamu mele o Mele Ma Ka Lihiwai me ka hoa kipa o ke ia la o Keilana. Aloha ho mai. Keilana, when you're asked the question, if you're asked, what kind of music is this? Or what is the genre, if you will? How do you answer that?
Well, I think I would say that my music is very R&B, neo-soul, but infused with, because I sung a lot of Hawaiian music at school or with my family, so it kind of gives it a different twist to the music. So I think, yeah, just R&B soul with a little bit of like Hawaiian,
with a Hawaiian flair.
Flair, yeah.
What are some of your inspirations, whether that's places, people?
A lot of inspirations for my songs come from my personal experiences, and whether it's a hardship or a difficulty with me, trying to tell someone how I feel or just expressing myself, I always have a journal with me and I'm always writing. And so a lot of my songs are journal entries that I've written.
That you've put to music.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I know a lot of people are wondering about this process of recording, and you dropped some singles. What is that whole end of the spectrum as it relates to being a musician like for you?
For me, the whole process of the recording process is something I'm actually kind of new to for myself. I've done a lot of projects for people. I've sung backgrounds and stuff and been a part of other people's projects, but the most recent project I just released about a month ago was my very first project ever for myself. So like working with Imua Garza of Zeo Music, he helped me produce my single. It's a process, but it's beautiful to see how my song, you know, because a lot of the times it'll just start with me and my guitar and to see it unfold into something bigger. So he's allowed, you know, a lot of his input to help create this beautiful masterpiece of a song that never could have thought by myself.
Right.
So.
Awesome. Well said. Go ahead and introduce that song and sing it for us, please.
Okay. This next song is my very first debut single. It's entitled Cotton Candy Feelings, and it's a song that basically talks about, at the time I was going through a hardship, and I didn't want anyone to know that I was struggling with it, and so instead of expressing it, I would write it in my journal, and a lot of the time it was me, you know, talking about how I don't know how to just keep it to myself, and I'm wallowing, trying to find a way out of this pain that I'm in, and eventually I had gone on a trip to New Zealand, and so this song is very inspired by the music there, the R&B, neo-soul music scene out there. So this song is called Cotton Candy Feelings, talking about my hardship, but there's a deeper meaning. It's a very beautiful, like, chill song, but it's actually my way of coping with my everyday life. So hope you guys enjoy this song.
I've been searching for a rainbow in these gray clouds of destruction, and I find myself enclosed within these walls of doubt. I'm wallowing, trying to find my way out, and I keep creeping away from my reality, hiding the pain with cotton candy feelings, hoping this fake smile never fades. They can't see I'm crumbling, never meant for these four walls to be so high. Now they keep me from the sky dreams. Ooh, bitter water left my tongue stained. Since then I've never been the same, never been the same. Trying to find my way, I'm wallowing, trying to find my way out. Oh, I keep creeping away from my reality, hiding the pain with cotton candy feelings, hoping this fake smile never fades. Oh, they can't see I'm crumbling. Trying to find my way, following, trying to find my way out. Oh, I keep creeping away from my reality, hiding the pain with cotton candy feelings, hoping this fake smile never fades. They can't see I'm crumbling.
This next melody we are about to play for you is another song off of my debut R&B project that I plan to release soon. I just released my first single, and we just played that for you guys. But this next one is called Need, and I wrote this when I was having a hard time telling someone that I had really strong feelings for them. You know, we had been hanging out together, but I never found the courage to tell this person, like, I need you and I love you. And so I would struggle with myself. I would write it, and just this song came to life. So this song is Need, and we'll play it for you guys.
You're looking at me and you're talking crazy. Wanna run and hide, can someone save me? All I wanna do is call you home, but you're taking all of me and you left me cold. Giving all I can from the inside out, and though I try to say it won't come out, the thought of losing you, it terrifies. So I hide how I feel behind these eyes. Are the signs not good enough? I thought I made it obvious. Are the signs not good enough? Thought I made it obvious. Need you to need me. Need you to need me. Oh, I need you to need me. Give you every single insecurity, so you create a better me. I'll make you think I'm someone else, so you'll never ever know I can't help myself. Are the signs not good enough? Thought I made it obvious. Are the signs not good enough? Thought I made it obvious. Oh, need you to need me. Oh, need you to need me. Oh, need you to need me. Oh, I need you to need me. Oh, I need you to need me. I need you to want me too. I need you to need me. Oh, need you. Oh, baby. Oh, I'm crying, I'm crying. Oh, I need you, baby. Ooh, yeah. I need you, I need you. Oh, I need you, babe. I need you to need me. Oh, I need you. Why don't you need me, babe?
E ka ohana e ia mai o Keilana Ma Ka Lihiwai nei o Kaʻelepulu e huʻe ana i nā ano haʻawina like ʻole o ka naʻau e oi aku ai ko kako ume ia i nā mele a keia puʻukani nui o ke kalana. A ʻōlelo e hele a mamau ke hoʻi mai he mau mele hou aku me Keilana ma Mele Ma Ka Lihiwai.
He aʻaliʻi kūmakani no, a ohe mea nāna e kulaʻi. O iai, nā ke kumu I waele mua I ke ala, ma hope lako e auamo ai. Ua lawa nā poʻohiwi, ua oa ai lolo, a kaua ela I ka hano haweo. E nāna mai no ia aʻaliʻi kūmakani continuing the legacy ma ʻŌiwi TV, ke kanela kiko hoʻehelu kolulua ono a me ʻōiwi kiko TV.
Aloha pumehana kākou, wau no o Keilana Scandin me these guys, ma Mele Ma Ka Lihiwai. E olu e nāna mai ia mākou, no na mele Hawaiʻi o ke ia, nāna mai ma ʻōiwi TV.
Ua hia maoli no ka ikena ke nāna aku, he ʻōlelo ola ko Hawaiʻi. Ia ke hoʻolaha aku nei, ko hoʻi hou ana mai o ʻahaʻi ʻōlelo ola, ko polokalamu kiwi e kuka ia i nā kumuhana koʻikoʻi o ke kaiaulu, ma kaka ko ʻōlelo e aloha nui ia. E nāna mai no ma ʻōiwi kiko TV, a ma ke kanela kiko hoʻehelu kolu lua ono. Aloha.
Falling out of line, keep on looking back, trying to race time, leave it to the past, whispers through the trees, streams of doubt, trying to waste time. No one's stopping me. My moment is now. Winds of change call my name. Time to break free. Set my sail and fly. I'll fly. I'll No, if I would have known, candles wearing thin, cups filled to its brim. It's time I let it show. My moment is now. Winds of change, you call my name. Time to break free. I'll set my sail and fly. I'll fly. I'll fly. I'll fly. I'll fly. I'll fly, fly,
Aloha ho mai ke nana nei no ya Mele Ma Ka Lihiwai me ka hoa kipa o ke iala o Keilana. Keilana, we were talking earlier in the show about this R&B neo soul type of music that you are drawn to and that you typically perform, the style even for your compositions, if you will. But we also talked about the fact that you kind of came up in and around Hawaiian music, whether that was at Kamehameha or even around your ohana. And I know that you recently just did a gig in Japan where you ended up singing a whole bunch of Hawaiian music. So I just wanted to talk story with you about that kind of being in it, but then not doing a lot of it in terms of performing, and now what you're doing and recording, but then every now and then having to jump into it. What's that like for you?
It's interesting because so branching off of that, I went to Japan. I was there for about 10 days for the HML festival out in Roppongi in Tokyo, and I went up there to play, music. I played a lot of my R&B stuff, but then because it was a Hawaiian festival, a lot of the patrons, were looking for Hawaiian music. So I was like, okay, it's out of my comfort zone kind of, but I'm gonna just do it. And the reaction, it was received so well, and it really, that whole trip in itself was a very great experience for me because, I've learned a lot about my Hawaiian culture through going to Kamehameha, but my most precious memories to me is my grandfather. And so my grandfather was this very stern Hawaiian man, but he had such a beautiful, beautiful leo. And he would sing, he would play the piano, he would have his Hawaiian music playing throughout the whole house. And unfortunately, he had passed when I was young, so when I was about 7, 8 years old. And I was too young at that time to really know a lot about myself as a Hawaiian. And so, because of that, I always was kind of timid and a little shy and hesitant to try and do Hawaiian music because it was something I had connected to my grandfather, and I wanted to make him proud in whatever I did, So I didn't want to, have him up there like, oh, this girl, what's she doing? but being able to play Hawaiian music up in Japan, ironically, it had like awoken something in me because, back home I play it here and there, but there I woke up every day, played some Hawaiian music, and it really made me feel connected to him and to my ohana. And so, I really love the music.
Beautiful. What a beautiful story. And just knowing that it's there, that Kohua is there, and it just, at the right time, it came and blossomed. And we're glad that you are also singing Hawaiian music as well. But all of your music is just beautiful. And with that, I'm going to ask you to introduce the last song and the dancer that's going to be joining you.
This next song that we are about to perform for you guys is actually going to pay respect to my grandpa, to my culture, and so we're going to sing you guys a Hawaiian song. This is Pualilehua, and I am going to call up the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Keilana Mokulehua. She is also the wife of my dear friend Evan, and she's going to bless us with her hula as we sing this song. So, this song resonated with me because this was one of the mele I would hear at Grandpa's house, but also I love the message, and my music has allowed me to travel near and far, and Japan and all over the world. And one of the things that I've learned is being away from home is great, but my heart will always be here at home. And I'm going to sing this song so I don't get emotional. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
hilo paia ke aloha I ka lino hilo pawalu a'ohe mea he moai mea u'oe a mauloa Haina mai ka puana e ka pua lililehua a he ipo o heno heno e hoʻohihi ai no ka manao Haina mai ka puana e ka pua lililehua a he ipo o heno heno e hoʻohihi ai no ka manao
Mai ka R&B neo soul a hiki I ka Hawaiʻi ua wali no hoʻi I ke ia puʻukani nui o ke kalena o Keilana. Mahalo hou ia ʻolue Keilana me Evan no ka hele ana mai I ke ia la. A mahalo hou ia o kou e ka ʻohana o ʻiwi TV no ka nana ana mai ke ia pukana o Mele Ma Ka Lihiwai. Ai nana mai no I nā pukana a pau ma ʻiwi Kiko TV a me Spectrum helu kolu lua ono. Aloha. Ke olu olu e mele mo mai.
Stepped off the plane, I didn't know where to go. Needed a change, leave the past behind. 'Cause I was blind and I didn't see what I didn't need till I opened that door. I found love when I wasn't looking. I didn't know what I was missing. Finally, I'm set free. I found love in tragedy. Found myself hoping in a hopeless place. I didn't know what would be coming my way. Took a deep breath in and whispered these 3 words I'm moving on. I've got to stay strong. Oh, I was blind and I didn't see what I didn't need till I opened that door. I found love, I wasn't looking, and I didn't know what I was missing. Finally, I am set free. I found love in tragedy. Oh, I found love, I found love. And I found love in tragedy. And I found love in the tragedy. I found love in tragedy.